Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. This is your friend Alipya Hussain and you are watching Technology channel. Today, the purpose of making this video is a very small topic, that is IoT. Why IoT? Why we learn IoT? Why IoT can, how IoT can benefit us, and so on. There are a lot of queries on my Facebook account, on my Instagram account, LinkedIn account. People are continuing asking me about why to choose IoT, not AI. What is the future of IoT? Why IoT? How IoT can benefit us? How we can do freelancing using IoT? There are a lot of questions in the mind of the people that are discussing with me on every social media platform. So today I have come over here and wanted to tell you about this is a very small topic that I wanted to tell you about. IoT is the Internet of Things, that is the future of Pakistan, not over the Pakistan, but it is the future of the world. Today, in this pandemic of Corona, we came to know that everyone is in their house, in their lockdown, and we cannot move. We have to rely on the online shopping, machinery, and so on. So this is the way that the world is being prepared for the automatization. The world is moving towards automatization, and we are now very much dependent on the technology. So this is the sign where you can easily think that you can easily assume that how can the world change after Corona. After this Corona, we are totally dependent. All the jobs will be cut down. Everything will be dependent on the machineries, and we are jobless if we don't have skill how to cope up with these IoT technologies. We will become jobless. The future of freelancing, the future of IoT in freelancing is very simple. If you are learning Rust language, then Rust language is a very advanced language. Is the language of next 40 years that has been talking about all the tech giants over there. They are always continuously telling us that the Rust is the language of next 40 years, and it will soonly grab all the market of C. So in international market, the Rust developers are in very high demand. They will be hiring the Rust developers with the uh, great amount of dollars per hour. So the freelancing platform you can use for IoT, that is Rust language. If you are learning Rust, then you can earn a very good and handsome amount per hour in freelancing. Now moving towards the IoT technology, if you wanted to start any startup, if you wanted to start any of your entrepreneur, if you want to become an entrepreneur, you can easily start your career in IoT. If you have a great innovation idea, you can implement it and make a useful device, that is IoT device, and enjoy the market, enjoy and capture the market. So the technology itself include all of the major technologies. So technology itself include AI, blockchain, cloud computing, edge computing, and all that. How it will be implemented, I will describe in a very short method that will be very beneficial for you. I hope so. What happens that if you develop a single device, that is an IoT device, for example, you are developing an home automation system. The home automation system is a embedded system where you can automatically open the lights and fans of your houses. But you have to include AI in it, in the sense that if I'll enter in my house, automatically the AC of my bedroom gets on, because AI sense that I'm entering my house and I'll go to my bedroom, so that the AC will get on. So this is the format where IoT includes AI in the different areas, in the different requirements. Next move, blockchain. How blockchain? If I am making a IoT refrigerator, then if there is no egg in my refrigerator, so my fridge is that smart that it will order the eggs from the internet, and next day also payment from the blockchain, Bitcoin, also payment from the Bitcoin. The next day that will be delivered, the eggs will be delivered at my doorsteps. So in this way, AI also integrated, blockchain also integrated. Now moving towards CNC, the cloud computing. How cloud computing? That if you are going to develop an IoT device, then you will definitely develop a web application as well. So you will need the cloud computing CNC over here. So edge computing. Why edge computing? If you are making an home automation system or any automation system, then you will need to have an edge device that will communicate with your cloud server, and then you have next to the step is the cloud computing. So this is the way you will make up all the things, gather all the things, and all the technologies. You have to learn it and explore it, and you can build your career as an IoT developer, as a full stack IoT developer as well. So I hope I have cleared all the points over here, but still you have any queries, you can let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, if you feel it is information, this is informative for you, then please like the video, share with your friends and colleagues, and whoever wanted to know about this topic. So please share this video as well. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with the next interesting topic. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.